Hi, fifth graders. For your application problem today, you're going to work through this problem. Be sure that you do your own work on your notebook and you take a picture of your work. You're going to insert your picture and you're also going to explain your thinking. So the problem says, Destiny says that 4/12 is equivalent to 1/3. Alish says that 3/9 is equivalent to 1/3 as well. Draw a picture and explain how both Destiny and Alish are correct. So you're going to work through this problem, draw a picture, and when we go to explain, you definitely can use the sentence support that is on the slide. You might say, I know that both Destiny and Alish are correct because, or you might also say, to represent this, I drew. Once you are finished completing your work and you have taken a picture of it and inserted the picture here, you're going to go ahead and click on this link that says share on Flipgrid. And when you go to your Flipgrid link, you're going to share your thinking. Please be sure you show your work and make sure it's clear and visible in the video. And you also show your explanation by using this sentence frames or something clear so we can understand. Once you're done sharing yours, you're going to respond to 2 others. So here's your application. You're gonna complete the slides. Here's the sentence frames for when you use it to share. And then I also have provided sentence frames for support for you. You might say, I agree with you because. If you are wondering about their thinking or you're wondering about their explanation, you might say, I am wondering how you know, or you may even offer another way for thinking. Can you show blank? Or you might show your thinking as well. Alrighty, fifth graders, I look forward to hearing your responses and to seeing you communicate with each other about your work. Remember, our target is to be able to explain our thinking around equivalent models and using language as a way to use that communication.